So this is the syllabus: development administration, meaning, nature and scope, bureaucracy and development administration and administrative development. Okay. And as you see question, bureaucracy and development. Bureaucracy is central or most important to development administration. Role of bureaucracy in development administration, and why bureaucracy is dysfunctional, why bureaucracy is obstruct before development administration. One question. Second, bring out the feature of development administration and administration of development. Development administration and administration of development. Development administration and administrative development. Development administration and administrative development. So if you find 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times this question asked, 2 time bureaucracy development, this is 4 time, this is 2 time, and what is development administration? 1 time. And in this the answer is given. What is development administration? It is administration of policy, project, program, contribute to the development of a nation and have significant socio-political and socio-economic impact on the country. Features of development administration. So the answer of development administration is given in this long statement. That what is development administration? Administration of policy, program, project. So what is the role of policy, program and project? Development of a nation. From this question you will understand what is development administration. Very simple thing. Simple thing ମୁଁ ଏଇଠୁ ବୁଝେଇ ଦଉଛି ତମକୁ, ତମେ ସବୁ ବୁଝିଯିବ. So that policy, program or project, what is its role? Its role is to development of a nation and socio-political and socio-economic impact, definitely. So development administration has significant socio-political and socio-economic impact of countries involved. Yes. Okay. So simple word, simple statement I am giving. What is development administration? If you say what is development administration, there are two words. One is development, one is administration. Just understand, administration led development program is development administration. When administration is the main actor in the process of development, it is development administration. When administration come out with policy, when administration made program, when administration make project that contribute to development of a nation. So whether it is policy, program or project, what is the ultimate aim? Development of a nation. And who make this policy program? Administration make this. Administration of policy program. So administration formulate this program and also implement this program. So administration is main actor in the process of development. बुझो, simply mone rakhi diyo. What is development administration? Administration led development process. For example, you become a BDO, you become a DM. What will you do? What is your main purpose? Your main purpose is welfare of people and development of the nation. So you are, as a BDO, you are part of development administration. Tahsildar, revenue administration. So as a BDO, your role is you are the main actor, principal actor. To what? To ensure development. Where? In the block. So you as a BDO ensure rapid socio-economic development in a block is development administration. For example, तमे गोटे BDO हेकी गलो गोटे ब्लॉक रे पूरा सुखा ड्राई ब्लॉक वर्षा माने क्रॉप वन टाइम होची सेटा भी इरेटिक रेनफॉल हेले हो नाही माइग्रेशन अछि एग्रीकल्चर हो नहीं किसी इंडस्ट्री हो नहीं सो तमे कोन कलो तमे डेवलपमेंट कलो कोन कलो डेवलपमेंट तमे मासिव ट्री प्लांटेशन कलो तमे नरेगा रे सबडे पोखरी खोली देलो यू एंश्योर दैट रेन वाटर विल स्टोरेज रेन वाटर स्टोरेज हला पूरा ब्लॉक सारा गछ लगे देलो तमे from different fund wherever you find every government land तमे पोखरी कोळेलो तमे स्मॉल स्ट्रीम मानकर स्मॉल चेक डैम बनेलो so after 2 year रे तमे देखिलो रिजल्ट 2 year रे देखिलो तमे जहां भी वर्षा हेले that rain water is stored से रेन वाटर स्टोर होउची सेठिरु एग्रीकल्चर होउची earlier there was single crop is difficult now two crop hochi and you with the help of different agency you establish agriculture based industry there agriculture based industry a small medium industry agriculture based so you ensure that people engage in agriculture double crop and allied activity agriculture related so you stop migration you ensure two crop you ensure sufficient water तो पोखरी रे पानी रहिला माछो हेला तापरे इरिगेशन हेला दिस इज डेवलपमेंट एंड डेवलपमेंट के करेला तमे करेलो एज ए वीडियो सो दिस इज व्हाट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन लेड डेवलपमेंट तमे यू आर हेड ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन तमे ठिया ही के डेवलपमेंट करेलो तो आफ्टर 2 year द ब्लॉक इज कंप्लीटली चेंज सेटा कोन सेटा डेवलपमेंट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ओके बुझी गलो नाउ so development administration concept बुझी गलो this is development administration after that we will discuss that this context it was started meaning nature and scope acha bureaucracy and development so you are part of bureaucracy you ensure development so bureaucracy is a contributor to the process of development so bureaucracy and development bureaucracy as an instrumental aspect of bureaucracy with no limitation bureaucracy which is transparent which is accountable which is citizen centric which is instrument it contribute to the process of development bureaucracy led development question bhi seta asichi bureaucracy is central to development administration yes bureaucracy is central to development administration because from policy formulation to implementation to evaluation everything is managed by bureaucracy the bureaucracy is core without bureaucracy development administration not successful so as a video as a dm you are part of bureaucracy you are rational scientific collegious so you ensure development acha second question kon asila Weberian model of bureaucracy is dysfunctional to the purpose of development. Dysfunctional means Weberian model of bureaucracy is obstruct before development administration. Why it obstruct when bureaucracy is institutional, rigid, hierarchical, secretive, rule-oriented, nepotism, inefficiency, corruption, iron law, oligarchy. सो तमे गोटे ब्यूरोक्रेट हेकी गलो फर्स्ट सिचुएशन तमे पूरा ब्लॉक को चेंज कर दलो सेकंड कंडीशन तमे ब्यूरोक्रेट गलो इनएफिशिएंट करप्ट तमे गछ लगेबा पई जहा पैसा आसिला खाई देलो पोखरी खोलिबा पई जहा पैसा हैला खाई देलो माइक्रो इरिगेशन प्रोजेक्ट में जहा पैसा आसिला सब खाई देलो तमे सब खाई देलो तो तमे सब खाई देला परे कोन हबो किछि नै ब्लॉक जहा थिला सेमती हबो डेवलपमेंट ही परिबो नाही केतेबेले if bureaucracy has all this negative thing development ही परिबो नाही हैला दिटा क्वेश्चन पाई गेलो आंसर ऑफ टू क्वेश्चन why bureaucracy is dysfunctional and why bureaucracy is contributor to the development first situation as a video तमे ब्लॉक को चेंज कर देलो 2 वर्ष रे मुख्यमंत्री पुरस्कार देले तुमको तुमको एलबीएसएनए वाले डकेले आसंतु वीडियो सर एठी टॉक दियंतु हाउ यू हैव चेंज तमे जाई आईएएस मानको डीलिंग दोचो मसूरी रे and here bureaucracy is dysfunctional. एठी तमे खाऊंगा एंड खाऊंगा, तमे पोखरी गछ सब खाई देलो गला. So bureaucracy कोन हैला? Obstruct to the purpose of development. Okay, you got answer of two question. Now third question answer भी कहि दोची. Two part: development administration and administrative development. Development administration and administrative development. Meaning of this is development of administration and administration of development. You are a BDO and you BDO administer development. अच्छा गोटे वीडियो हैला तमे सिलेक्ट हेलो, तमे ट्रेनिंग पाइलो, तापर वीडियो हेलो. डेवलपमेंट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को मु नंबर दोची 1, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव डेवलपमेंट को 2. तो तमे सिलेक्ट हेलो, ट्रेनिंग हेलो वर्षे, तापर जाई कि तमे ट्रेनिंग माने गोटे जगह रे वीडियो हे कि पोस्टिंग पाइलो. तापर तमे यू एडमिनिस्टर डेवलपमेंट, तमे देखिलो डेवलपमेंट ठीक से होउची कि नाही. पोखरी खोला हैला, गछ लगा हैला, माइक्रो इरिगेशन हैला कि how कोन small industry हैला. अच्छा, now you tell one is development administration, development of administration, and second is administration of development. अच्छा गोटे वीडियो गोटे गोटे ओएस रिक्रूट हैला, तापर ट्रेनिंग हैला, तापर पोस्टिंग पाइला, सेटा कोन डेवलपमेंट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन और एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव डेवलपमेंट, 1 or 2? एवरीवन गिव आंसर. तमे ए वर्ष सिलेक्ट हेलो, ट्रेनिंग पाइलो, ट्रेनिंग नेलो, तापर पोस्टिंग पाइलो. जो ए प्रोसेस is what? Development of administration or administration of development? नहीं बुझ आउ थरे सुनो मो क्वेश्चन. तमे एबे तमे गोटे स्टूडेंट अछो, तमे ए वर्ष सिलेक्ट हेलो, सिलेक्शन हैला, तापर 1 year ट्रेनिंग नेलो. जो तमरो गोटे वर्ष तुमको ट्रेनिंग दिया हैला, सेतिरे तुमको ज्ञान दिया हैला, तमरो स्किल डेवलप करा हैला. जो तमरो स्किल डेवलप करा हैला तुमको गोटे दक्ष प्रशासक करा हैला. That is what? That is development of administration or administration of development. भाभी के आंसर दियो. डाउट लागु जदि आउ थरे पचारो. अंशुमान पात्र ओएस आफ्टर 1 year ट्रेनिंग. एबे गोटे स्टूडेंट अछो, बट तुमको वर्षे ट्रेनिंग दिया हैला. Yes, this is development of administration. तमे जो जाई के सेठी काम करिवो, एटा पूरा क्लियरली बुझो, वेरी इंपोर्टेंट. डेवलपमेंट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड तमे जाई के काम करिवो, तमे जाई कि सेठी ठिया हे कि व्हेन तमे जेतेबेले प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग नेइतिबो, तमे जेतेबेले एफिशिएंट हेतिबो, रेशनल हेतिबो, साइंटिफिक हेतिबो, जस्ट हेतिबो, सेतेबेले तमे प्रॉपर एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव. अच्छा, आई कैन गिव यू एग्जांपल. जने क्लर्क रु ओएस हेछि हैला, क्लर्क रु ओएस हेछि एट द एज ऑफ 55, एंड तमे एट द एज ऑफ 25, 26 और 30 तमे वीडियो हेलो. दिस इज कॉमन सेंस. किए बेसी एफिशिएंट होबो, किए हु एडमिनिस्टर डेवलपमेंट प्रॉपर्ली, फर्स्ट और सेकंड? फर्स्ट हला जे क्लर्क रु ओएस हेछि कि जे डायरेक्ट ओएस हेछि, किए एडमिनिस्टर डेवलपमेंट बोल से करिवो. आंसर फर्स्ट और सेकंड. फर्स्ट हला क्लर्क, सेकंड ओएस. Who will administer development properly? अरे आंसर दियो. यस, काहे कि जने क्लर्क हला, से क्लर्क रही तापरे 50 वर्ष रे ओएस हला. सो डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ठीक से ही नहीं. बट तमे फ्रेश ब्लड, तमे फास्ट ओएसएल ट्रेनिंग नेलो एंड तमे फील्ड को गलो तमे जेमती ठिया ही डेवलपमेंट करि परिबो ओके माय थर्ड क्वेश्चन who is more important both are important development of administration तमको गोटे दक्ष प्रशासक करिबा एंड तमे जाई कि फील्ड रे काम करिवो both are important one दक्ष प्रशासक second you work in the field but between one and two who is more important who is more important one or two you being a able administrator proper training सेटा important कि तमे जाई कि सेठी काम करिवाटा important कोटा बेसी important important माने कोटा नहेले सेकेंडटा होबो नाही अरे सिंपल one depend on two or two depend on one yes two depend on one जदि तुमको ठीक से ट्रेनिंग दिया होबो नहीं तुम एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हाउ डू यू एडमिनिस्टर डेवलपमेंट सो डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इज मोर इंपोर्टेंट डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन न हेले तुमको दक्ष प्रशासक न कले तुमको जदि मु प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग न देबी तमे फील्ड रे केमिति काम करिवो हाउ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ ओडिशा इज giving 1 year training to OS the training curriculum is same with IAS LBSNA LBSNA रो ट्रेनिंग curriculum जहा गोपबंधु एकेडमी रो same why so the government of Odisha want you to give equal training like the IAS so you will be a able administrator अब आगो भलिया नहीं कि मासे ट्रेनिंग देन 1 year ट्रेनिंग you will be trained in गोपबंधु trained in मधुसूदन trained in रोटी आउ भी बहुत जगह अछि जो तुम ट्रेनिंग नबो तो ट्रेनिंग टा कोन डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन तापर तुम फील्ड को जाई कि चुटकी मारिबो डेवलपमेंट होबो administrative development administration led development this is the complete unit development of administration administrative development or administration led development bureaucracy and development both bureaucracy is contributing to the development and bureaucracy is obstructing development and what is development administration meaning nature and scope so administration led development process is development administration acha which context it has started let's discuss with this picture okay this is period of decolonization so this is a period of 1940 to 1960 between 1940 to 1960 these are newly independent country okay these are newly independent country here decolonization newly independent country and in those newly independent country we have these are advanced country developed country and this is in transition and these are less developed country so these are less developed country okay now what happened we have discussed comparative public administration so comparative public administration and in the first class I have give you a relation between comparative public administration development administration and good governance paradigm and why good governance paradigm is a new avatar of development administration. So in comparative public administration, developed countries study the administration of developing country and find out these limitation. Thus your administration has this limitation, due to which it cannot perform optimally and it cannot ensure a rapid socio-economic development. Okay. After that, uh, now developed country give a prescription to developing country. What is this? For example, topper, जे टॉपर हुए कौन से आसिकी ज्ञान दिए मु जीएस एमती पढ़ी मु ऑप्शनल एमती पढ़ी मु एसए एमती पढ़ी मु दिन को 2 घंटा योगा करूली मु खजूरी तेल लगाउली जहाँ भी कहू सेटा कौन से गोटे प्रेस्क्रिप्शन दौची तुमको कि तुम नड़िया तेल लगाउछ सेटा छाड़ तुम खजूरी तेल लगा से पाठ भल हम प्रेस्क्रिप्शन प्रेस्क्रिप्शन कहीं दौची तुम भी ओएस होगा चाहो सेम थिंग developed nation already achieved a development, socio-economic development. Now developing country want to achieve that level of socio-economic development. ଏବେ developing country भी चाहूचंदी कि आमे भी धनी हो जीवो तापर एमाने कोन कले सेमाने कहा पाकू बोले दे गो टू डेवलप नेशन सर किसी दियंतु तमे जेमिति जाओ टॉपर पाकू भाई किछि उडे कहो टॉपर स्टॉक थाउजेंड्स ऑफ व्यू कोन सेटा जो टॉपर कहूची कोन से गोटे प्रेस्क्रिप्शन दउची तुमको बटिका दउची हाँ बाबू एमती करो सेटा पढ़ो सेमती करो सेटा पढ़ो तुम पूरा बटिका खाउछ so developed country they prescribed a approach of development before the developing country developed country कहले बाबू डेवलप होगा अच्छी सर हम भाया धनी होगा अच्छी सर अच्छा नियो बंगाली बाबा की चूरन तो सेमाने तांगु दे देले चूरन दे देले यस यू फॉलो दिस goal oriented transparency accountability participative temporal dimension कि you should follow this सेमाने गोटे मेथड दे देले प्रेस्क्रिप्शन कर देले तमे ए बी सी डी ई एफ जी एच आई जे के एल ये पॉइंट माने दे दोछु यू पीपल फॉलो दिस पॉइंट तमे ए पॉइंट फॉलो करो तमे ही जीवो डेवलपमेंट किंतु गोटे एड आसे नहीं मैं पहले बहुत काला था फिर मैं ये क्रीम लगा दी फिर मैं हो गया गोरा पहले मैं बहुत गरीब था फिर मैं एमएलएम ज्वाइन कर दिया मैं हो गया अमीर बस लाइक दैट तो डेवलप्ड कंट्री एमानो गोटे प्रेस्क्रिप्शन देले development administration is a prescriptive approach and they tell that with this prescription you can develop your administration and if your administration developed your administration can administer rapid socio-economic development and you also become rich like us prosperous like us बुझी पारुछ एटा हला तापरे डेवलपिंग कंट्री कोन कले बोले यस से माने आसिले और सेटा फॉलो करले दे फॉलो से माने चूरन खाइले प्रोटीन पाउडर पीले बट कोन हला problem is that existing problem of developing country not solved new problem start पुराना problem जहा थिला थिला सेटा सॉल्व हे नै नुवा problem start हे गला and net flow of resource from developing country to developed country and resource माने सब developed country को पळेला so puzzle it puzzle the development theorist अरे एमती कोन हला तमे जरो भलो हेबा पे मेडिसिन नेलो जरो बढी गला तो डेवलपिंग कंट्री स्टार्ट टू ब्लेम डेवलप्ड कंट्री। अच्छा तुम्हें ठीक से मुझे प्रेस्क्रिप्शन देना भूल मेडिसिन देइछो। So developed country reply that no, my prescription was good. The way you implement it is bad. Developed country said that you have a problem, you are the problem, and I have the solution, and I am the solution. I am the solution. And after that, कौन हैला changing profile of development administration हैला changing profile कौन from aeroplane approach to helicopter approach, from production center approach to people center approach, from blueprint approach to learning process approach. This is changing process of development administration. And in India, after that we will discuss the development administration in India. Okay. So development administration in India, we should what we should ensure that our administration becomes strong. সেটা কেমতি হবো proper training, transparency, accountability, performance evaluation, domain expertise, lateral entry, specialist. There is a famous article in The Wire. If you Google it, you can search. The article said we need Indian rural service officer and not Indian administrative service officer. Acha, now you answer Indian rural service officer, Indian administrative service officer. Indian rural service officer, suppose he get a proper degree on rural development. After that, he give exam syllabus based on rural development. He get training on rural development. After that, he become a rural development officer in a district. Second, IAS, common education, BTech pila, mathematics optional नहीं की, IAS अला. After IAS, he get training, general training, and he become a DM. Now you tell me, between Indian rural service officer and Indian administrative officer, who do you think is proper development of administration happen? Where? Indian rural service or Indian administrative service? Development of administration is good. Development of administration. And who do you think better administer rural development? Yes. So Indian rural service officer is the proper exam, rural administration related exam, rural administration training, and he become rural administrative service, Indian rural service. So he can administer rural development in a far better way than a officer of Indian administrative service. So this is development administration. Okay. So Indian rural service is development administration. And we will discuss some other aspect how government of India is focused on development of administration. And only if administration is developed in a proper way, it can administer rapid socio-economic development. This is the Churan এটা সে কে দেলা this is the prescription given by developed nation before developing nation কি বাবু তুমি এটা নিও administration should be action oriented goal oriented client oriented commitment করো responsive you should responsive towards the citizens problem ecological orientation you should work according to your surrounding innovativeness you should focus on innovation finish work in time temporal dimension focus on socio-economic change and participate or encourage participation of non-state actor in development process. This is development administration. This is the prescription. This is goal of development administration. Okay. ଏତିକି ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ क्वेश्चन ଜାଣିଗଲ ତିନି ପ୍ରକାର क्वेश्चन and ତାର answer. Yes, as I said you, this is the syllabus, this is the question and this is the content. ଆଉ କଣ ଦରକାର? Best. So whatever question come you can write. When you know the syllabus, you understand the demand of question and you understand the concept. Concept জানিগল. তারপরে in detail line by line we will discuss. Okay, let's start.